What if your iPhone could actually understand your health data and give you personalized advice? Well, something was recently found within ChatGPT's app code that might support just this. Today I'm going to break this down for you in plain English on what this means. So let's get right into it. A tech reporter recently found the Apple Health icon in the ChatGPT app code. This might suggest that ChatGPT might soon be connected directly to your iPhone's health app. Just keep in mind, this isn't available yet. We're talking about something that might happen soon. It's just evidence being worked on. So what would this actually do for you? ChatGPT could access specific health data from your iPhone. It could analyze activity and steps, sleep patterns, nutrition information, breathing data, and hearing statistics. Let me provide you with a real-world example that I think might happen. You might ask your app, "Why am I so tired?" And you will receive real information based on your sleep and activity patterns that is collected over time. How does this all fit in Apple's big picture? Apple has been reportedly planning a HealthPlus app to release in 2026. This would include AI-powered health coaching and personalized insights. This ChatGPT integration could be a part of the larger plan. And this is similar to how ChatGPT is already integrated with other apps on your iPhone, such as Spotify and Google Drive. Let's talk about what you should know about your privacy with all of this. Apple emphasizes privacy protection with ChatGPT. When you use ChatGPT through Apple Intelligence, none of the information that you have provided to ChatGPT is recorded by OpenAI. This is a wonderful thing. If you don't do it through Apple Intelligence, if you go directly to OpenAI, that information is recorded and also with your IP address. But lastly, with this, you would likely need to give permission to ChatGPT to access these apps. So this is a you decision. This isn't something that is automatic, so rest assured, it's not something that you didn't sign up for. So what's the bottom line for all this? Let's talk about the timeline first. This is hopefully going to release in 2026. Again, this would be an optional thing for you to choose to opt into. It's not something that is automatic and you have to worry about that. My take on this is this will be great for personalized health insights, but let's wait to see how it actually pans out before we get into it. If you found today's information to be helpful, to get you prepared, make sure you subscribe. Also hit that subscribe button if you just like hearing my melodious voice. Lastly, technology should work for you and not against you. Hit that like button for this video so other people can see it. And there's a new button on YouTube called Hype. This enables the algorithm to show this video to more people just like yourself. It helps us immensely, and I would greatly appreciate that. If you have any comments or any questions, make sure to put them below. I read every single comment and answer every question. Thank you for spending your time with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.